Today marks the one-year anniversary of the tornado that tore through 3 parishes, killing a woman in St. Charles Parish. WGNO's Ashley Hamilton is in Kelowna now with an update on the recovery. Ashley.
Susie, one of the hardest hit areas was Schoolhouse Road. One tornado survivor tells me though they will remember the damage that happened here, they also will remember how they rallied together to help one another.
I thought this is where I would live the rest of my days.
It's been a year since an EF2 tornado ripped through Kelowna, Louisiana, leaving piles of debris, fallen trees, and pieces of homes all over the road. The St. Charles Parish president was heartbroken to see people forced to rebuild just 2 weeks before Christmas after being hit back-to-back by storms.
Seeing the damage, seeing cars flipped over, seeing homes completely just destroyed. This same community had been hit so hard by Hurricane Ida just a year before. It was pretty devastating to see. Geraldine
Thomas lived in the neighborhood since 1986 and had just remodeled her home after Hurricane Ida. Then, the tornado wiped it away. She recalls the day as if it was yesterday, unsure of what would be next for her community.
I never knew at my age I would be trying to, not have another home, build another home. Because when this house fell, they didn't know where we was going to go and where I was going to go in.
1 year later, the rebuilding process continues. Many like Ms. Thomas have rebuilt their homes. Jewel admits it's a continuous process, though the tornado showed how much stronger they are when they work together.
The community coming together, our industry partners stepping up, the United Way helping out, housing people to get people at least back on their property in a temporary home.
Some days Thomas looks back and remembers what the street looked like a year ago. Each day she prays for her neighbor who passed during the storm, while keeping faith. Each day another person will have a new home.
The Lord is bringing us back. Everybody may not have a home, but the Lord is restoring us.
Now the trailers will be available to homeowners until reconstruction is complete. Susie?
Great to live in a trailer, but it's good to have a roof over your head. Thanks, Ashley.